Today we have a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is Entitled Woman Gets Dragged Out of Bar While Crowd Cheers.
On November 24, 2025, officers responded to an establishment for a woman causing a disturbance.
Do you know who she is?
No.
Is she a worker here?
No, she literally just came in, sat down. My bartender was like, we gotta get her out of here. And she's like, F this. And I walked over and I was like, ma'am, can I just talk to you outside? She's like, no, F you, I'll shoot you. I'll put a bullet in your head. And then she just kept on going.
Wow. Okay. You want to trespass?
What?
Thank you.
Don't move. Put your bag down. That was not very smart on your half, was it?
No.
Nope. How much you got to drink?
That's the thing. I accidentally drank.
Yeah, you did. Come on with me.
Ouch.
69.2. It's actually going to be a 33 now, and I've got 1 to 10. Can you do me a favor? Go make sure he's okay. She 5311's already 10-12. If you can, check with the bartender. She assaulted the bartender.
I accidentally pooped. Ow.
You got anything on your person you're not supposed to have?
No, I accidentally need to pee.
You accidentally need to pee?
Yeah.
How much have you had to drink?
That's the thing. I didn't drink.
What's wrong with you?
That's the thing, dear. He actually said he was going to have sex with me to get me to be manager here.
So, do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Nothing at all? I'm just going to use the back of my hand. I'm going to check your waistband.
Yeah, because I accidentally. Honey, listen.
Don't call me honey.
This guy actually said that I could become manager here. So he actually said, if you sleep with me, honey, then I can get you to be a server here. So then I have accidentally threw a drink because of the...
That wasn't accidentally. I saw the whole thing. That was intentional the whole way.
No.
Yeah.
You're making it to seem like I did something lately.
I watched you do it.
Well, no, that's the thing. He's making it to seem like I did all of it because he's real jealous.
I watched you do it. You're missing that point. I watched you do it. Go ahead, have a seat. Do you need EMS or anything?
I think I need, shit. You know what? It's hot in here.
I'll turn the air on. Scoot your feet in.
Ouch. Ow.
So, do you have just him as a victim, or you got multiple?
I don't know. Whenever I saw whoever was behind the bar, that's who she threw the drink at first, and then she threw a basket of food. And then I immediately grabbed her, put her in handcuffs. Like, I walked in right at the nick of time, like perfect timing.
Yeah, because I was like, who are we looking for? I kind of looked back.
Well, manager pointed to her, and I heard the yelling at the bar, and I looked over and I saw her, and I saw the head bobbing back and forth. And then when I started walking up, I said, hey, do you all want me to trespass her? They said yes, and as I looked over, that's when she just launched that drink and then threw a platter of food.
Yeah,
or that basket of food.
You can see he's covered.
Yeah, I want to take pictures of him.
Yeah, he went to get his ID.
Is he wanting to press charges? She's saying that something about how he was telling her that
she could be a manager.
She's definitely, yeah.
She looks rough.
Yeah, but I asked her how much she had to drink. She said nothing. You all right, man? You get hit in the head or anything like that? You got
I
any?
just slapped the glass before.
Okay.
Was it only you that one of the other employees also got?
I mean, the bartender.
Yeah, I don't believe that. You know, all of that. Yeah, if you sleep with me, I'll get you to be. First of all, there's way too many people around for things like that to even. That's that whole Me Too type movement. You just put an accusation on a guy and just and mess his life up, man. Did you see the thing about the football player who he was in college, and star football player girl made an accusation that he ex assaulted her, and come to find out, not guilty, cleared of charges, right? But look, it's taken a couple of years. He's older. He was a prospect for the NFL. Can't go to college. It's done. It's done. Your dreams is over because of this accusation. And the thing is, the kicker is that there's nothing that happens to a person that makes false accusations. They don't never go after that person. You know, it's just, okay, well, if you do this or whatever, or if I don't get my way or whatever the case may be, you know, I'm gonna make these accusations and mess up your life. And then, you know, you're found not guilty. And then nothing else happens to that person, you know, or years later, come to find out there was another case where a lady made an accusation. Guy served like 15 years or something like that in prison. And later she come to find out, she says she lied. That's how he ended up getting out. Like, and it's like nothing happens to that person that lied. You ruined a man. 15 years in prison, you just ruined him. Like, and so much of that is going on. And it kind of, there's real victims, right? There's real situations that's going on. But all of this, the BS ones, kind of desensitize guys to it because it's just like, man, like this is ridiculous, you know? Because you don't know what's real and what's fake nowadays. It's a crazy situation, man. But I don't believe that. What she talking about? She just drunk.
All right,
yeah, whoever was behind the bar that she launched that drink at.
We're gonna need him to just get his statement real quick.
I just want to take a picture right quick. Did you get hit? You weren't behind the bar, were you?
Yeah.
Did you get hit?
Oh no, just she just threw the drink on. No.
Did she say anything to you prior?
She was clearly messed up prior. She asked if we had anything for free because she's homeless and hungry. And then she was just shouting a lot of obscenities.
Great timing.
I know it was, wasn't it?
That was perfect.
Excuse me.
Yes.
She was very, very rude to the man, calling him all kind of names and everything. He didn't say anything. He was the most gentleman I've ever seen.
I don't know what the issue is right now, but I think there's something probably underlying. Because she's got the resemblance of somebody that's intoxicated or under drugs, but what she's saying doesn't make any sense.
She's also yelling about the military.
Yeah.
What was she saying about the military?
She said,
She's a U.S. citizen. And she needs to be treated like this, and she had done this, and she had done that. We didn't hear everything.
just heard her saying something about this is America and a U.S. military.
I don't know if she's military or not, but
I don't know. I mean, if she doesn't like it here, she's more than welcome to leave the country. You know?
I just wanted you to know he was very respectful. I mean, he smiled. He did nothing.
Well, I appreciate it.
Shout out to the bystanders, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the bystanders, man. You know what I'm saying? Stand up for the manager, man. He ain't do nothing. This girl is saying that, oh, he said this to get me a job and all of that. You hear it. You hear the accusations starting. But these two fine, not young, but these two fine older ladies right here, they standing up for the brother, man. All right, I like it.
Well, I'll make sure I pass it on to him that he did a good job. Thank y'all. Excuse me. I'm going to read this to you, all right? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to execute these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
No.
You don't? What part don't you understand?
Well, that's the thing. I'm not sure, what, is he pressing charges?
Yes.
Well, I didn't even hurt him. I literally just, a little bit of water splashed on him.
Do you think that's okay, what you did?
No, that's the thing. But I don't think what he did was normal either. What he did was...
All of these rights, do you understand them?
Not necessarily.
Well, what is it that you're having a hard time understanding?
How he's pressing charges. Because
I'm asking you these questions so I can talk to you. You understand that you have the right to remain silent?
Well, that's the thing. They're trying to get me to get quiet.
No. The reason why I'm asking you this is so you don't self-incriminate. That's the whole purpose of your Miranda rights. Me reading these to you gives you the opportunity of talking to me if you wish. If not, then you don't have to. Would you like me to read them to you again?
Well, I guess I'm starting to get it a little bit, but, you know.
All right, first one, you have the right to remain silent, which means you have the right to not talk to me. If you do choose to talk to me, you've got the right to have an attorney present with you during questioning if you wish. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be represented while you are being questioned, all right?
Yeah.
All right, so now I'm going to start all over again.
Well, no, I get it now. I have to use the restroom shortly, so I don't know if we can.
Let me just do it over again. Number one.
Get it and interrogate it, because I don't know, dear. I'm getting ready to pee lately.
You have the right to remain silent.
Yeah.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
Yeah. Okay.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. Yeah. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to execute these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Okay. Do you understand each of these rights that I've explained to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I can talk to you. It doesn't matter if he's going to press charges or not. You're still coming with us because you've already committed 2 criminal offenses. One, you committed battery.
How?
The battery is an untouched...
Oh, wait, I can't even talk in the car. I don't know if we can talk somewhere because I have to, pee or...
Well, no, you're not going to the bathroom right now. You've already committed battery. Okay. The simple touching and striking of another person unwanted is considered battery.
Ooh, I didn't touch.
And not to mention, based off your behavior that you displayed inside the restaurant, you've also committed disorderly conduct.
Wait, no, I actually was talking and arguing, and my drink slammed down, and it accidentally splashed up.
I watched the whole... I was standing behind you when you did everything. I saw everything.
It did splash, dear.
Oh, yeah. It's not splashed the bartender. It splashed the general manager. It even splashed other patrons that are inside the restaurant.
If you argue and accidentally slam a drink, that shouldn't be...
You didn't slam the drink. You threw it.
No, that's the thing.
Yes, you did. I'm not going to argue with you. I saw exactly what I saw, not to mention everything that you've done was not only captured on my body cam, but they're internal security cameras. There's no getting, this was an accident. That was full-on intention because you weren't happy with the way that either one, you were being treated or the service. That's not how you handle things as an adult. You don't do that.
I know, but that's the thing. I accidentally got a bad batch lately of something, I think. So I don't know. A
bad batch of what?
I was just recently injected at jail with some batch of some Haldol, and it allegedly...
What did you go to jail for?
That's the thing. I had went down to North Bay Police Department. They said, you got to get home quick because these guys is robbing you. So they said, we're going to follow you home because we can't let you get killed. So it's following home, right? It clicks on the lights, and then it pulls a gun to my brain and says, you was not staying at the station lately, dear.
Okay, so do you have anything on your person that you're not supposed to have? No. Anything at all? Because once you get to the jail, they're going to search you. If they find anything on you, that's going to be an additional charge.
Oh, hey.
You understand that?
That's the thing.
Okay.
I don't like.
For now, I'm going to take your rosary and I'm going to put it in safekeeping, all right?
Ooh. I have to use the restroom. Well, I don't know if EMS can get me to pee in the truck.
Nope, we're leaving now. So I will handle all that stuff. Look, all your property is going to come with you, all right?
Yeah. Because they accidentally did this and had it set up to do this.
Okay, well, watch your knees.
Ouch.
She was charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Drop your opinions in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Wait, aggravated assault with a deadly... What was the deadly weapon? The drink? No, aggravated assault with a... I don't know. I think you're reaching a little bit there. This I don't think that charge fits. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, that might get dropped. Aggravated assault with a deadly weapon? No. Yeah, you overreaching. You overreaching, and this is how people get off. No, that ain't gonna work. That's not gonna work. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.